I learned from being in court all day, every day, the rules of evidence, the rules of procedure, how to pick a jury, how a case should be run, how a courtroom should be run, how a jury should be picked. These are important things, and unless you are in court all day, every day, you don't get that experience, and you don't leave with that experience. After that, I became a legal aid attorney here in Alameda County at the Family Violence Law Center. Some of you may know of it. It's the oldest domestic violence agency in this county. And I represented domestic violence victims and their children, helping them get restraining orders and family law orders. And more, how difficult it is for real people to access the courts, how confusing it is, how important it is that their voice be heard. And time again, my clients were LGBT persons, my clients were women, my clients were immigrants, my clients were people of color that needed help and needed to be understood. So the legal experience that I bring and the perspective that I bring from working with people in our community is going to serve me well as a Superior Court judge. I'm also running because I believe in diversity. I think the bench should reflect the community. And here in Alameda County right now, only 30% of our judges are women. That's not enough. Only 1.4% of the judges in our county identified in a recent survey as LGBT. And that is certainly not reflective of our community, or even this room. And I know what it's like to be someone who is other, who doesn't look like everyone else. And I've had clients who know what that is like. And when they go into court and they see someone up there that doesn't look like them, or they feel doesn't understand their experience, that's an important thing, and that's an important thing as a judge that I can bring. I can help people, treating them with respect, using my background as a lawyer, all my experience, and applying it fairly and evenly in an unbiased way. I'm running for judge now, in part, because of my belief in the law and the rule of law, and also in good behavior, being a good lawyer, being an ethical lawyer. As I'm running for judge, as Andrew and Kathy are, we are obligated to conduct ourselves now as though we were judges. This isn't hard for me because I have a reputation amongst our judges and amongst all the lawyers in our county of being ethical and fair. I have so far not endorsed any individuals. I have not endorsed any individuals in any race, because a judge cannot endorse anyone in any race. I'm out of time, but I would like to recognize and appreciate that I am endorsed by the Democratic Party, National Women's Political Caucus, Senator Lonnie Hancock, and Tom Amiano.